Have you ever been so angry at someone that it felt like a storm cloud was following you around? That's exactly what happened to Benny the bear. Let's see what he learned about letting go. One sunny afternoon, Benny discovered his most favorite super special honey pot shattered on the ground. In the distance, he saw a flash of orange fur. It was Felix the fox, who had accidentally knocked it over while they were playing tag. Benny's face scrunched up. His fur bristled. He was furious. "Felix!" he roared, his voice trembling with anger. The next day, a very sad Felix tried to apologize. "Benny, I am so sorry. It was an accident," he chirped, his ears drooping. But Benny crossed his arms and turned his back. "I'll never forgive you, never ever," he grumbled, stomping his foot. He was determined to stay angry forever. But staying angry wasn't as satisfying as Benny thought it would be. While all the other little animals in the forest laughed and played hide and seek, Benny sat all by himself under a big oak tree. His anger felt like a heavy, gray rock sitting right in his chest. He couldn't join their games. He couldn't even smile. The anger was just too heavy to carry. That evening, Benny's tummy rumbled. He tried to eat a delicious dripping honeycomb, but his anger made it taste like plain old grass. When he tried to sleep, he just tossed and turned, replaying the broken pot in his mind. The strange thing was, while Benny was miserable, he saw Felix playing tag with the squirrels. His anger was spoiling everything for him, but Felix seemed just fine. Seeing how sad he was, Grandma Bear sat down beside him. She gently picked up a warm stone from their fireplace with a pair of tongs. "Benny," she said softly, "being angry at someone is like holding a hot coal, planning to throw it at them. But while you wait, who gets burned?" "You do." Benny looked at the warm stone and then at his own paws. He was starting to understand. The next morning, Benny went for a walk to clear his head. Near the riverbank, he found Felix, looking very focused. He was carefully weaving together pieces of bark and decorating them with wildflowers. He was trying to make a brand new honey pot. It wasn't as perfect as the old one, but Benny could see how hard Felix was trying to make things right. His heart softened just a little. Benny walked over to Felix. He took a big, deep breath, and the words just tumbled out. "I forgive you, Felix." As soon as he said it, something amazing happened. That heavy rock in his chest just disappeared. He felt light and happy and free. Forgiving Felix didn't just help Felix. It healed Benny. From that day on, they were the best of friends again, and the honey they shared tasted sweeter than ever. Remembering Benny's story can help us all. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.